for a cow box, and this cow is milked. And when she's ready, she walks out on the front. The cow can enter into the backside. And then the robot recognizes the cow by its color. Which cow is it? The sheep has to be milked. If you have milk in the other, then the milking process starts. If there's not enough milk in the other, you have to pull another cow. Now they were one morning at 9 o'clock they were in the field together. So a lot of cows there. Other than full. And when there's 10 liters or more in the other, the cow is milk.
How many years do you get from milk production from the cow?
How many years? In average, the cows are leaving the farm in average age of more than 8 years. And you must say 5 or 6 lactation in average. But we also have cows with 10 lactation. So some cows with only 1 or 2. This is an old cow. And she's pregnant, and she's fertile, healthy, and productive. She's a cow, no matter what. But we also have, each year we replace about between 5 and 10% of the old cows.
And internally replacing them from your own cattle?
And that are these girls, that are the youngsters, and that are the heifers. And when the heifer is pregnant, then she starts calving at the age of 7 months, a bit more than 2 years, and she starts in a cow in the herd, producing milk for several years to home. And then it goes, the third system. And we raise our own cows, but a lot of farmers they don't use it. They buy cows from another farmer that don't work. But we want to have our own breeding. And you see that we have different types of cows. The red one, and the brown one, they produce chocolate milk.
The pink strawberry milk.
You see this cow with the black and white head, and also the one that also that is a Holstein.
There are bigger farms, it's like 400, 500 cows, sometimes 600, 700. Mostly new buildings with perfect climate and perfect bedding. So the cows will be very happy. And of course it's not very nice for us to watch. But for the cow it's for you see it also in hot